Stay in. Stay in. Let's stay in and watch a movie tonight. We stayed in because it was raining. Chill out. Chill out. Don't worry, just chill out and have some fun. Chill out, everything will be okay. Wipe off. Wipe off. He wiped off the dust from the shelf. Please wipe off the water from the table. Fix up. Fix up. Can you fix me up with Sarah for a movie night? I will fix you up with my friend. Run off. Run off. He ran off without saying goodbye. Somebody has run off with my wallet. Dry off. Dry off. He dried off the dishes after washing. Dry off your hair before going outside. Cut out. Cut out. He cut out the coupon from the newspaper. Cut out the picture from the magazine. Dish out. Dish out. Can you dish out the soup, please? She dished out the pasta to everyone. Stay over. Stay over. I stayed over at my friend's house. Can I stay over at your place tonight? Let in. Let in. Open the window to let in some fresh air. Please let in the cat. It's raining outside. Set up. Set up. They set up the tent. She set up the dining table. Turn over. Turn over. Please turn over the page. Turn over the pancake to cook the other side. Load up. Load up. Load up the car with groceries. She loaded up her plate with food. Wrap up. Wrap up. He wrapped up his homework before dinner. Let's wrap up this meeting.